it's a monocot. It might be hard to tell, but if you could look at the leaves, they have parallel leafination. The other thing is, if you cut through this trunk, you would find that the wood is fibrous. See all these fibers? And a eudicot tree would have nice hard solid wood, like oak or maple or something like that. Whereas this would be all fibers. There aren't a lot of monocot trees. This is a palm tree. That's probably not a revelation to you. Palms are in their own family. They're flowering plants. They're monocots. And they're tropical. The palm family is a tropical family. Normally they don't take cold weather. But a few species do get up north of the tropics. And technically we're in the subtropical zone. We're really at the edge of the zone. And there aren't that many palms that can handle it here because of the weather. This is a native California palm tree, and it's our only one. It's the only native palm tree in the western United States, actually. And it only occurs in a few places in California, southern California, in the desert. If you go east from California, you've got to go all the way to East Texas before you're going to pick up another palm. And over there, those are called palmettos, and they're real small little things. And then when you go all the way to Florida, then you get larger palmettos there. So in the United States, you're only getting them in Florida, parts of the southeast, and in southern California. All southern areas that are warmer. Because palms just can't handle cold. So this is called the California fan palm, F-A-N, California fan palm. And that's for the shape of the leaves, way up there, which are shaped like fans. What's unusual about this fan palm? What's unusual about the shape of the tree? Compared to other trees. There's no branches. It's an unbranched stem. And at the top, there's one meristem, one growing point, and one set of leaves. So if I got a chainsaw and I was on a big crane and got up there and chopped the top off, that's it. It's got one meristem up there, and that's it. If I cut it off, no more meristem, no more growth. They kill the tree. So it grows from the tip. Now these lines, these radial bands going around, those are leaf scars. The leaves were down here when the plant was younger. Hey, the leaves are way down here. And as it grew, it made more and more leaves. And these old ones had died and fallen off and left these scars. You can see the oldest ones at the base are dead and hanging down. See that? In nature, those dead leaves would be going all the way down to the ground, look like a big skirt covering the tree. But people don't like the look of that. It also breeds rats in there. So what people do is they scrape or pull off those old leaves and make this naked trunk like this. So you'll see physical plant out here once or twice a year pulling those dead leaves off to make it look better. But in nature, it's all raggedy looking. There are some places out in the desert where they just light it on fire and it burns all the old leaves off. Then you get a black trunk. Okay, so I need to give you the scientific name. The genus is Washingtonia. Take the word Washington, like President Washington, and put an IA at the end. Washingtonia. Oh. Sorry about the Nationals. Anyway, it's October. Anyway, and then the epithet is filifera. 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 Washingtonia filifera is the scientific name. California fan palm. Okay, the uses. Well, the native Californians, the Indians, use this species